Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Tara. Today, I thought it would be super fun for us to make some pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are not only really easy to make and super delicious, but they're good for you. You guys are gonna absolutely love them. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video. Tomorrow, we are making chicken with mixed vegetables and rice, a complete meal. You do not want to miss this recipe. Be sure to click the bell icon, that way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make some incredibly delicious pumpkin chocolate chip cookies, then keep on watching.
We're going to start by grabbing our food processor and adding in our rolled oats. We're going to lightly pulse this to create oat flour. Of course, you could just use oat flour if you have it. We're going to add some almond flour, some coconut sugar. I love using coconut sugar because it's unrefined. Some chia seeds, some cinnamon. Cinnamon is really great for our metabolism. We're going to add some pink salt. And then we're going to add both baking powder and baking soda. Key ingredients for these delicious cookies. Then we're going to add some pure vanilla extract, some pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have this, you can just leave it out and add some extra cinnamon if you like, and some molasses. I'm using black strap molasses. It has the best health benefits. Then we're going to add some melted coconut oil. To that, we're going to add some pumpkin puree. I'm using canned here. I do have a recipe already on this channel to make your own, and I will link it up in the cards and also in the description box below. You can also use canned squash. You just want to make sure it's 100% pumpkin or 100% squash. We're looking for the consistency to be just about like this, where it sticks together. Now, they wouldn't be chocolate chip cookies without chocolate chips, so I'm gonna lightly pulse them in. You could, of course, just fold them in. I have a 1/4 cup cookie scoop that I'm gonna use. You can use a spoon or a different size, and you just wanna place them onto your lined baking sheet. And then we're gonna grab a fork, and I'm doing kind of like a crosshatch pattern. I highly recommend doing this. Not only is it gonna make the cookies cook better, but it also makes them very pretty. We're gonna bake them for about 18 minutes. Then we're gonna pull the cookies out of the oven and top each one with a little bit of turbinado sugar. This is optional, but makes them super delicious. Then we're gonna put them back in the oven for about 5 more minutes.
I highly recommend making a double batch. They freeze beautifully. Store whatever you don't eat in the first day or so in the freezer, and whenever you want a delicious cookie, grab one out, either thaw it on the counter for like about 10 minutes or stick it in the microwave or the toaster oven just to heat it up a little. They'll be absolutely delicious.
We're gonna allow these cookies to cool in the pan for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna transfer them to a wire rack. I've got to show you the inside of these cookies. The texture is absolutely perfect. Deliciously chewy cookies with just the right amount of sweetness. I know you guys are gonna love this recipe.
I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you get to give these a try. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite holiday snack or dessert is, and I am going to leave my healthy snack and dessert playlist right here for you guys so that you can check that out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.